Dear student, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today, I solved some problem of exercise of 2D. This type question I solved in examples of this exercise. So today I repeat it. So one by one, you carry it and solve it. These questions. Now see here. Your first and second questions of the exercise 2B, both are the same. I write here second question. Question is that verify that 5, minus 2 and 1 by 3 are the zeros of polynomial 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. First condition. And second condition is that and verify the relation between its zero and coefficients. There are two conditions. Dear student, first examples I solved like this. Today I discuss again and repeat it. Question number 1 and 2 both are same. I write here 2. So first you write polynomial, and polynomial is px, and it is equal to 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. Your question is verify that it is the zeros. It is only zero when we put the value of 5 at the place of x, and if we get the 0, the solution, then it is the zeros of the equations. So I write one by one. First we write p 5, then it is 3 into 5 cube minus 10 into 5 square minus 27 into 5 plus 10. Now here 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, 125, and minus 10 into 25, minus 135, and plus 10. Then you get here 375, minus 250, minus 135, plus 10. Then 375 and plus 10, you get 385, and minus it is also 385. Then the result will be 0. Then it is clear that 5 is the roots of the equation. Otherwise, 5 is the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Similarly, you write other question is p minus 2. So you write here p minus 2, then 3 into minus 2 cube minus 10 into minus 2 square minus 27 into minus 2 plus 10. Here is 3 into minus 8, because minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 8, minus 10 into 4 minus it is plus 54 and plus 10. Then it is minus 24 minus 40 plus 54 and plus 10. You get here minus 64, and here also plus 64. What you get? That is 0. Then it is clear. Now minus 2 is the zeros of the given polynomial. Now remains third, that is 1 by 3. So now we write at the place of x is 1 by 3. So we write here p 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 cube minus 10 into 1 by 3 square minus 27 into 1 by 3 plus 10. You write here 3 into 1 by 27 minus 10 into 1 by 9 minus 27 by 3 plus 10. 3 9s and 3 9s cancel. Then you write 1 by 9 minus 10 by 9 minus 9 by 1 plus 10. You write here that is LCM is 9, here is 1, minus 10, minus, you multiply, then you get 9 into 9, 81, and here is 90. What you get? You get 1 plus 90, that is 91, minus 10, 81, it is also 91 by 9, that is 0 by 9. that is 0. So dear student, it is clear these numbers are the zeros of the given polynomial and it is verified. So how you can verify? Verify, put the value alpha, beta, gamma 1 by 1 in the equation, and every time you get 0, then it is clear it is the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Now you write the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Here coefficient equation is that, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to minus 27, and d is equal to 10. Zeros are alpha, that is 5, second 0 beta, that is minus 2, and third 0 gamma, and that is 1 by 3. First relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by 3. What is alpha? 5 minus 2 plus 1 by 3 minus b minus 10 by 3. Take LCM, that is 3. 15 minus 6 plus 1, that is 10 by 3. You write here 15 on 16 minus 6, that is 10 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. This is the condition that it is verify the equations of relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So first is alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a, and both are 10 by 3, then it is clear it is verified the equation. Next condition is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to c by a. What is alpha? Alpha is 5 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 is equal to c by a. C is minus 27 and a is 3. You write here minus 10, here is minus 2 by 3 and plus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 27 by 3. Take LCM 3, minus 30, minus 2 plus 5, it is 27 by 3. Find out here, minus 32 plus 5, then it is clear minus 27 by 3. So write here, minus 27 by 3 is equal to minus 27 by 3. Then it is clear both are the equations satisfy the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. And last condition is that alpha into beta into gamma. Last condition is alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. What is alpha? 5. Gamma beta minus 2. Gamma 1 by 3. Minus d. What is d? 10. A 3. You multiply, you get also minus 10 by 3 and 10 minus 10 by 3. Then it is clear both the equations are satisfied. So there are two conditions there. First, verify the zeros after putting the value of x, and next verify the relationship. So please solve the remaining questions. Now questions number 4, that is find a cubic polynomial whose zeros are given 1 by 2, 1 minus 3. There are 3 zeros given. First 1 by 2, next 1, and third minus 3. You have to find the cubic polynomial. One is by method of the formula. You can write the formula of the cubic polynomial is x cube minus alpha beta plus gamma x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha and minus alpha beta gamma. This is, but this type question you can solve without using the formula. So you write like this: the polynomial is equal to x minus 1 by 2. It is the factor. If 1 by 2 is the 0, then x minus 2 is factor. 1 is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor, and minus 3 0, then x plus 3 is the factor. First we will take LCM, that is 2. It is 2x minus 1 and it is x minus 1. Multiply it is x plus 0. First multiply these two, then it is 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1 by 2. And it is multiplied by x plus 2. What you get? Now multiply 2x cube and one line again solve it. It is 2x square minus 3x plus 1 by 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Now multiply, what you get here? You get 2x cube minus 3x square plus x and by 3 6x square 3 to minus 9x 9x plus 3 by 2. These two is the common, so remove from here. So what is remaining? You have 2x cube minus 3x square and plus 6x square, that is 3x square, x and minus 9x, that is minus 8x and plus 3. It is the polynomial of cubic. Here is 2 common, so remove from here. So but when 3 zeros given, then you can find the cubic polynomial by the methods of using the factor. If 1 by 2 is a 0, then x minus 1 by 2 is the factor. If 1 is the 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. If minus 3 is the 0, then x plus 3 is the factor. And multiply to each other, then you get your solution. If here is a 2 is the common among them, then 2 remove from here. So your answer, accurate answer is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is the polynomial of cubic. 7. It is fx is equal to given and divided by gx. You have to find the quotient and remainder. So dear student, first you write according to their degree of this term, that is x4, it is right minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square minus x, because after 2 degree is 1 and plus 1. Here is x square and there is x4. So multiply by x square. What you get? x4 minus x cube plus x square. Change their sign, plus minus minus plus plus minus. See, x cube is only one here. So you write first x cube and minus 3 and minus x square, that is minus 4x square, both are same. Like term, it is 4x and plus 5. X cube, so you write plus x. Then you get here x cube minus x square plus x. Plus minus plus plus minus. Cancel it. Here minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. So now here is x square, here is minus 3x square, now minus 3. Then you get minus 3x square plus 3x, because minus minus plus, and minus 3. So it is plus, it is minus, then plus. So it is plus minus cancel, 3 cancel, and 5 plus 3 both are positive sum, so 8. So quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. So it is the solution by division method. So other questions from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you can solve by this method and try to solve. Now see question number 13. If 1 and minus 2 are two zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10, then find its third zero. This type question I solved an example, 2 or 3 questions. Today I discuss again one time and repeat it. First we find it is a cubic polynomial because degree of this polynomial is 3. Then it is clear the number of zeros of this polynomial is 3. 2 zeros are given, minus 2 and 1. You have to find its third zero. So dear student, if 2 zeros are given, then first you find its factor and by factor divide it, then you can find its third zero. So its solution, right? Solution factors zeros are 1 and minus 2. So factors x minus 1 and x plus 2. 1 is 0, then factor is x minus 1. Minus 2 is 0, then factor is x plus 2. You multiply it, then x square minus x plus 2x and minus 2. What you get? X square plus x minus 2. Multiply by x into x square, x by minus 1 minus x, 2 by x 2x and minus 2. So now we divide x square plus x minus 2 to the x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Divide by first x, then x cube plus x square minus 2x. Here is positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, and positive. Cancel. It is minus 5x square and it is minus 5x plus 10. Now multiply by minus 5, then it is minus 5x square minus 5x and plus 10. Hence it is plus minus cancel. Then x minus 5 is the factor. Then x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 5. So third zeros are 5. First two zeros are 1 and minus 2, and third zeros are 5. So right here, the third 0 is equal to 5 answer. Question number 17. Here question is, find the zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus 5x square plus 9x minus 3. It is be given that two of zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. That means two zeros are given. One zero is root 3 and another is minus root 3. And we have to find other two zeros. Because the degree of this polynomial is 4, then it is clear it has 4 zeros. 2 zeros you have given and 2 zeros you can find with the help of the factorize of the quotient of this polynomial. So first you write solution. First you write zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. So factors are x minus root 3 and x plus root 3. It is root 3, then x minus root 3, it is minus, then it is plus. Then you get x square minus 3. Because x square and root 3 square is 3. Now x square minus 3 divides 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus 5x square plus 9x minus 3. Here is x square, here is 2x to the power 4. So multiply by 2x to the power 2. You get 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square. So right here minus 3x square because x square is there. Sorry, 6x square. 2 into 3, that is minus 6x square. Here is plus minus, here is minus, then plus. It is cancelled. Now we write 3x to the power 3 and here is only x square. Here is 9x minus 3. Now 3x cube, so write minus 3x. So here is minus 3x cube and minus 3 plus 3, that is plus 9x. Here is minus 3 and minus 3, that is 9x. It is minus, then you write plus. It is plus, then you write minus. It is cancelled. It is also cancelled. Now here is x square minus 3. So by 1 you write x square minus 3. Then it is plus minus, it is minus plus 4 factors. Then quotient is that. And your quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. By factorize of this quotient, you can find the remaining 0. That is 3, you can write 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is 0. 2x common, then x minus 1. Minus 1 common, then it is x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what you get, you write 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 by 2. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. So what is the remaining zeros are? Remaining zeros are 1 by 2 and 1. So you can write the all zeros. What is 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2 and 1. Another two zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. There are 4 zeros. 2 zeros are given in the questions. Another 2 zeros find with the help of questions. So there are 5 or 6 questions in your exercise. So please student, you can solve by these methods and try to solve other question, remaining question. Some question I solved in examples, some question I solved in exercise, and remaining question I think you can solve by easy way. If you have any problem, then try to consult with me, my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.